So what we're going to work on with this exercise is the stand and reach. It's a great exercise for ankle injuries, for working on balance, and for re-strengthening the ankle. So I want you to picture that you're standing in the middle of a clock that's on the floor, with 12 o'clock being right in front of you, 6 o'clock right behind you. And we're going to start with a stand and reach. And so I'm going to have you reach out with your foot by bending this left knee, and you're actually going to reach out and touch the floor. So just reach out and touch the floor. And what I want you to do is go all the way around, and you're going to hit every number on the clock. So I'm kind of at 2, and then I'm at 3. And you notice how I'm doing that by making this knee bend. So I don't want people just here. I want you to really work that knee, and that's what drives the movement in the ankle. And you're going to keep coming all the way around, and you're going to try to get as many numbers. You're going to even reach behind you. And then when you kind of get to that place where you can't go as far around this way, you're going to come back to the front, and you're going to come this way. And the ways you can modify that if it's hard on your ankle is you can take narrow or short steps, and as you get stronger and more comfortable, you can really reach out there far, and you see how I'm having to bend that leg a lot farther. And again, so we're just going to work around the clock. I'm going faster than I normally would right now, just showing you kind of how to reach around again. And so as you get comfortable with the stand and putting the toe out on the floor for added balance, I want you to do the stand and reach where you don't touch the floor. You're just letting that foot hover out in the air. So all my balance is on this left leg. I'm not using my right leg to touch the floor at all. And again, I can do narrow reaches or I can do really wide. But same thing, I'm going to keep coming around. I'm going to work on reaching behind me as best I can, and you'll probably see me work at trying to keep my balance here. Then as I reach that spot, then I'm going to come forward and work around that way. Again, I can really feel my left foot's really having to work hard. All the muscles around the ankle are really having to work hard, and obviously I would switch and do that same on the right side. Again, the ways you can make it easier is do a shorter reach and touch, and then you can work at getting longer, and then as you get strong with that, then you can do a reach and balance where you're not touching your foot to the ground. So a great exercise again for the ankle, balance, strengthening the ankle.